Go potty. Go potty. Go. Hey. Oh, okay, so you're just knocking everything. Come on, Phil. Go potty. Go potty, Phil. That is high snow, isn't it, Amani? You didn't think it was so deep, did you? It's gonna go anyways. You two are nuts, Sylvia. You gave up. Oh, Amani, you have to pee on a tree, don't you? Of course. Peeing in the snow. The snow is up to your back and you're peeing on it. Sylvia, what about you? Sylvia! Sylvia! Hi, Sylvia. Hi. Hi, Missy. Go potty. Go potty, Syl. Monty, come here. Come. Hi, Mr. Ray. Hey, Syl. Go potty. Go potty. Go potty, Syl. Did you go potty? You didn't go potty, Sylvia. You didn't go potty. You didn't go potty. Come here, you two. Come here. Say hi to the camera. Say hi, Mr. Erie. Oh, you guys can't stop moving.